Well, good Tuesday morning, everybody. Meteorologist Robert Suhr back with you here. Another check of your weather on the ones. Thanks for spending a portion of your Tuesday with us. We're going to start with a look at precipitation this month, and it has certainly been lacking. Our highest amount of rainfall actually came as we opened up the month with almost half an inch or so. And notice so far for the month, under an inch and a half, and we are running a deficit of about an inch. We should be close to 2.5 inches for this part of the month. And we are not looking to see much rainfall at all as we go through the next 5 days. Notice here, according to the Weather Prediction Center, hot zero, diddly, nothing, nada. We are in a very quiet weather pattern. It's going to be dry in terms of rainfall, and it's going to be dry atmospherically in terms of our dew point. Look at dew points the next couple of days, 40s and 50s as we get into the middle part of the week. That is winter time type dew points of how dry it's going to be. So it's going to feel absolutely amazing outside, not just in Bowling Green, but Owensboro as well. All communities in between, from Kentucky Lake all the way to our eastern neighborhoods. An absolutely splendid stretch of weather is on the way. And you can see that here with Futurecast. Maybe a couple of high clouds filtering around, nothing to worry about for your ride home tonight or even waking up tomorrow morning. We are looking at absolutely pristine conditions across much of the tri-state. Even by tomorrow morning and into the lunch hour, we're still only in the lower 70s for our temperatures. So a sunny and less humid day. You will notice those northeasterly winds possibly becoming a little bit breezy at times. That might be the only drawback today if you're really looking for something negative to talk about. Maybe a couple of 80s west of Kentucky Lake. That would be the exception. Most of us will spend the day in the 70s and lower to mid 50s tonight. Well below average for this time of the year. You can turn off the AC, open up the windows, and let Mother Nature cool off your house for the most part. And you can see just how nice things are going to be all week long. Now, having said that, that area of high pressure that's keeping things nice is going to slowly drift toward the east coast. We'll get a return flow around it. It'll pull in warmer air, and by late in the weekend and early next week, temperatures, they're back into the 90s.